Is it all done? Am I completed? I'm ready. Come on everyone, start your renovations and move into your new flat now.
Hang on just there, kid.
Oh. Hi, uncle.
Ayya, what uncle?
But you look so old.
It's called mature. Anyway, your residents shouldn't jump right into renovating their flat straight after key collection.
They can't? Why not?
It's good to familiarize themselves with HDB's renovation guidelines and only engage contractors listed in the Directory of Renovation Contractors. It can be dangerous if an unqualified contractor does the work. I once had a cousin who had an unlisted renovation contractor tear down a wall that he's not supposed to. As a result, the building structure became unstable and the residents had to be evacuated. Engineers and workers had to repair the structure before the residents could return to their homes.
You're trying to scare me, aren't you?
If you don't believe me, you can ask her. She doesn't like to talk about it. Even now, she's still scared of renovation noises.
Oh, okay. Could you tell me where to find the Directory of Renovation Contractors, please?
It's simple. You can find the Directory of Renovation Contractors on the HDB info web at www.hdb.gov.sg/home renovation. Select Looking for Renovation Contractors. And you can find renovation contractors according to the works that you want done in your flat. These contractors are trained to carry out renovations according to HDB's and other statutory boards' requirements without damaging the structure of the flats. HDB also updates them on the latest renovation guidelines so they can carry out renovations properly. The details of each contractor are provided on the webpage. Before you enter into an agreement with a contractor, go through the clauses in the renovation contract carefully, especially on the quality of works assured, work schedule, and terms of payment. This may help you avoid disputes over these issues. If a dispute happens, speak to your renovation contractor to work out a resolution. If it cannot be resolved, you may approach the Consumers Association of Singapore, also known as CASE, for assistance. You can also visit their website at www.case.org.sg for more information.
Wow! I didn't know that hiring the right renovation contractor is such an important step. I'll remind my residents to only engage contractors from the Directory of Renovation Contractors.
Remember, HDB's renovation guidelines help to maintain the structural safety of our block and a pleasant living environment for all residents. Always engage a qualified contractor and go through the terms in your renovation contract carefully. For more information on HDB's renovation guidelines, visit www.hdb.gov.sg/home renovation.